Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Um, I'm going to look at from the previous videos the stock market and how the stock market is going to behave in the future. And what I have looked into is using various um, traditional method of predictor model and combined with the scientific and up-to-date the Einstein's model of a predictor model has been looked at as well in order to predict how the stock market is going to perform in the future and how the news is going to release and will impact on your investment. So I would like you to timestamp this video, date and time this video was posted, and the forecast of this in this video that has been displayed to you, that I will outline to you the forecast of videos and the forecast of the news and the views. And then lastly, I would say do a comparison. If you are watching the video before the time span, the predictor model is for 2012 between 9 and 10th of January and going to 20 to 23rd of January. The things that are the tools and techniques I have used to forecast this the future of the news in the stock market is based on the Indian astrology method, the Chinese astrology method, the Egyptian astrology method, the Greek astrology method, with the cosmic and the heavenly bodies alignment and the gyration and the orientation and lunar calendars and galaxy alignment and the heavenly bodies such as Jupiter, Neptune, Mercury, and so forth alignments with the larger asteroids in the universe and the impact. The stars in the universe have, if you stand on a point on Earth, the stars in the universe has got can be represented by three dimensions: X, Y, and Z coordinate. X, the horizontal; Y, the longitudinal; and the vertical. Uh, all these 3 points at a point of point to a star in the universe. So, for example, and together with the fourth dimension that I'm going to look at is the time span. So the time is the linear time is the fourth dimension. The fifth and the sixth dimension are the emotions of human being and the news that is being released. So all these uh, very immensely complex a model that I run and that helps me to predict the outcome of the future events that's going to unfold. Okay, so what I have come up is that in January 2012, between 9 and around about 9 and 10th of the month, January, till 20 to 23rd of January, the world will receive bad news. The world will receive bad news. The market sentiment is going to be down. There will be political news from Europe, the United States, and so forth, in Asia and China. So it's going to release a bad news. As a result of that, the market sentiments is going to be down, and the stocks will be sold off, and it will be a downward path for the stock. And you will be able to see it is happening in the stock market. You will see it in the news that this is going to happen. What I want my viewers is you to remember, if you are watching this video before 9th and 10th of January, and what you can do is to prevent yourself from the losses. If you are watching post or during 9th and 10th till 23rd of January, um, You are live in the event of how things are unfolding, and you will have watched it, so you can prevent yourself. And if you are watching post that period, you can go back and reflect and see what I have said in this video is coming out to be true and correct. My prediction model predicts between 95% to 99% accuracy. So in the bell curve of the distribution, statistically, it's fairly significant. 95 to 99% predictor model is a very significant model. So be cautioned, the investors. The market is going to downturn in those periods between 9 10th and between 9 and 10th of January, in that the initial phase. Okay, the market is down from 9 and 10, it will go down till 23rd of January because of the bad news and the market sentiment. The news is produced, will mostly be released from US. So the US investors will have first-hand and foremost uh, uh, analysis and take advantage of those. The rest of the world will follow the suit. So they say, if US sneezes, the rest of the world catches the cold. You know? So if the US is going to fart the bad news, it'll stink the whole world. I mean, that's the truth, isn't it? I mean, so watch out, investors, on that. And what I want you to do is to go and investigate that what I'm saying will be correct, or if you are watching post-event, that it is correct. Thank you very much. Have a Merry Christmas and caution for the next year, 2012. Thank you.